Good day, everyone. Um, just wanted to show you guys how to go about the project. And so I imagine everybody that has logged into the classroom has will get some kind of notification. This is mine. When I click on it, and I have the classroom notification for the project. You go through, I'll click on the see details so that I can see more details on it. So we have the attachment here, or the data set here. If you click on that, you would see the data set. Now, the first way to go about it is to open your Microsoft Excel. Instead of having to download it, preferably you use Power Query to access the data here instead of having to download it. The reason is because it's easier and it shows skills. So in order to do that, I'm going to shoot up my Microsoft Excel. Just give it a moment and it's going to come up. So my Microsoft Excel is up. I'm going to go to blank workbook. And I'll go to data. I'm going to go to get. So get from web. So get data from web. A prompt is going to come up for me to enter the URL. Now so I'm going to get the URL, copy and paste. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm curious here if a full my Microsoft Excel actually opens Google Drive folder, or most likely it's going to give me an error. So as you guys can see, it is showing me an error, and for some weird reason. So you'd have to do it one by one. So this time around, I'm going to open the each of the individual data sheet. So we'll do SOA, that statement of account for 2022. You click on it, or you can right click and copy link. Then you go to your Microsoft Excel. You go back to from web. A prompt is going to open to enter URL. Then you paste the URL. Now from where you see let's see, edit, from this edit here, you are going to change this edit to so this edit, you are just going to enter export here, export. Then here you see format equal to, it's a Microsoft Excel file, so it is XLSX. So this is how from this slash here where there's edit, you change to the export. Then question mark format equal XLXSX. Click on OK. Then you can see your table. I'm seeing statement of account You can either click on table 14 or you just click on statement of account, either which one is fine. Then you can then transform. So you can do that, import multiple tables. So I'm going to import multiple tables. So I've imported the first transaction. So it has transaction date, description, allocation, well, amount and balance. And this looks like, so this is a balance of, so if there's a credit, what's the balance? If there's another credit, what's the balance? So like that. You don't have to work with that. That's not useful. The account ID, not so much as well, but mainly what we are looking at is channel, state, region, and subscription type. So we have subscription that are recurrent and non-recurrent. Basically, based on the project description, your major concern should be recurrent and what is non-recurrent, and the channel, the sales channel, direct and indirect. So let me import a new data. Go to file, go to so I think online service, no other source. So I'm going to web, and I'm going to go to the next, which is so this is 2022, first half of 2023 is what I'm interested in. Copy link, go to my Excel, paste the URL. Now from edit, like I said, edit to change it to export, then the USP format, then equal to, you now say XLSX because an Excel format. So you can see statement of account, which is what I want to import. Click on OK. I don't know if there'll be conflict of interest. I'm curious. Okay, so it has automatically change it to statement of account too. So it will do it in hierarchy. So you do it for the rest as well. Web, go to the next one, which is second half. Right click, go to share, copy link, go to the URL, paste, and you change format. Oh, I didn't type the format well, so be careful. It might give you error, then you say no, sorry, it's export, then format. Export question mark format equal to XLSX, and click on OK. Click on OK. While it's trying to load, I'm just going to go to so I did 2022 first half, 2023 second half, 2023. I'll go to first half 2024, just copy it down. So statement of account, though the table 14 and statement of account is actually the same thing, so just choose one, click on OK. So it has created the third one in hierarchy. Then you go to the fourth and do the same thing. So because the reason why it's really important to use a Microsoft Power Query is because you are going to do a lot of ETL process, extract, transform, and load processes, and you want to automate it once. If you write it on one, you can apply it on the rest. Yeah, this is fine. I'll do the next one, which is second half 2023. Go to share, click on copy link, statement of account. Okay, so it's trying to evaluate process. It has processed. I'll do the same thing for the last one. Export, I would say format for XLSX. Click on OK. Now that I know that this thing is each of these tables are in hierarchy, what I can do is now to append, not merge, append. I'm going to append them in that particular. So append, it would mean is what it will mean is that wherever a particular statement of account stops, so for, let's say, the first statement of account, wherever this first statement of account stops, the next would be, it will follow suit. And the good thing with append is, in as much as they have the same number of column, that is, let's see, the number of column is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That is one. And each of this column, the column names or the column titles are similar, then you are good. So if you check the second statement of account, it follows the same format. The third, the same thing. So you can then append. So what it means is that you are just joining this second one to the first, like it will be a continuation wherever the row stays. So this null, we'll deal with null values specifically in the date later. So I'm going to go to append. Usually I like to append as a new, because I don't want to taint my my original data set. So I'll append as new. A prompt is going to open up. So you can append multiple tables. So I'm going to append 2. I'll click on 2, then add 3, add 4, add 5, add. Click on OK, and it's going to create a new append for me. Now you can just notice if there's any error to see. And there are certain data set that you can clean, like this allocation. It's not really important. You can delete it if you so want. You don't really need the balance per se. You can delete that if you so want. Okay. Let me see. You don't need the balance. You can delete that if you so want, or you can leave it if you want. Then yeah, everything looks fine. So there are empty cells here, especially for the date. I'm going to remove null, because null is actually a problem. Or I can go to remove remove rows and just remove blank. So you can see once I've done that, you see the empty is 0%, which is good, valid 100. The same thing for the account ID is not really a problem. For the channel, there might be some null. I wonder what those nulls are. Oh, so I think this is from me. I would need to update it. So which is why it is good you actually use Power Query to get this. So I think this is my own error. I might need to update it as well. So I'm going to check and update, hopefully. So we have 0 substitution type. Let's see where the null is. I think it's from me. Oh yeah, I need to update this as well. I'll check where this is and update. Oh, this is in 2022. That's fine. I'm going to update that. So for north, okay, there's no state. I think there is null too as well. So this is from me. I would update that. But basically, oh, that's a lot. I just wanted to show you guys. Okay, for the channel, I would update the null too as well. So this is supposed to be complete data. Okay, so yeah, there are 2 nulls. Let me check. Well, these are 2024, so I would update that. So basically, this is how you are going to get your data set and prepare it for whatever automation that was given in your project description. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Do let us know if you have any questions, not to solve the problem, but maybe how to. I wish you guys the best of luck. Have a wonderful day.